Hey guys, we received this Shinic infrared heaters for test and try. So this is an energy efficient space heater with remote control, 12-hour timer, filter, USB and Type-C charging ports, and it's an electric infrared space heater for indoor use. So let me just open up this pack. Comes in a nice packing, so with the remote and stuff. So let me take out everything. So this is nice heater, and there are the USB ports on the top, so you can charge in your mobile or tablet. So these are the hooks, cable, on and off switch, ventilation from the back, and then infrared thing. This is a LED display. So big LED display and the blower on the top. So let me just put everything up. So here you can see from the front. So the remote requires the batteries. The batteries are not supplied, so you have to get on your own. So there is a back on and off button, so that I'm just turned it on, and you will see the display in here. Then you can just start. So it's a big LED display. It will take the temperature, and you can set it up and down from here based on your requirement. So this is around 14-inch in the height and 12.5-inch in the width. And you can also see like select all the different function, timer. There's a heater thing, the blowing air. You can put it anywhere. So this is a pretty nice thing for the heater that have a thermostat stuff and the big display, so you can use it in the night and set this up. So the blowing speed and everything is also fine as I can feel it here. I have to set in the temperature because it's not like the winters yet. So yeah, but you can see the whole like the blowing, the fan, the heating thing. It's all good here. And then the good thing is you can control everything with the remote. So this is a three long like a 3 point charging cable, and also the thing for the mobile. So here I'm just charging a mobile with a USB cable, and that's pretty good that it starts charging. So you can just put it on the side where you can also charge your mobile or the tablet, and there's a table sort on the top that you can put in. So there are three, four things here, and then start charging as well. So pretty nice design, pretty nice space heater with the charging, ventilation, the back like this ventilated one with the hooks, and this is the on and off button, the red one, and then the surge protection as well. So overall impression for the space heater is good, and two USB-C, two USB for the charging ports. So hope you like this as well.